Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm doing these short gel nails, which was very different for me, so if you're interested to see how I did these nails, then definitely keep on watching. Okay, so today I'm going to work on my natural nails. I've already prepped my nails and primed them and all that good stuff, so I'm going to show you the gels that I'm going to use, or you could use. So this is the friend mold gel. It's a good cheap option to use, but I'm just going to use this more expensive gel that I have. I don't even know what the brand is. It's just a gel I have from a company I'm working with, so yeah, I'm not sure if I can mention them, but yeah, this is just a regular builder gel. It's nothing special, and I'm basically applying a thin layer of that to my natural nail using this round brush. This is the Glam applicator brush. It's their round one, and I've been really loving this brush to apply color, to just use over the nail, like to just paint and stuff. It's just been so amazing, and I love the size of it, and it's also round, so it helps a lot around my cuticle area. So you just want to apply a super thin layer of this. There's barely anything on my brush, and you just want this to be like a slip layer, which is basically gonna make it easy for you to apply your gel on top of. And now I'm using a bead of gel. It's just a kind of small-ish bead, I guess, nothing too big, and I'm basically going to apply the gel to my nails as you would. I've done a full how to apply gel on nails using foam video on my YouTube channel, which I will link down below for you guys to check out, but this one is more of like a gel overlay. So yeah, I hope you find this one helpful too. So I basically just apply the bead and work the gel from sidewall to sidewall, and then that's pretty much it. It's very simple, very easy. I would say with this, just use very light pressure. You just want to be touching the gel. You don't want to press down on it or anything, because you definitely want to float it across the whole surface of the nail. So just be careful with that. If you have applied too little product, just add more, or just remove some wherever you go. And I also like to do this little trick before I cure. I just like to turn the nail upside down, and that helps the surface to be nice and leveled out, and it kind of drags the product a bit towards the center of the nail, and it creates a kind of like a nice apex. But most importantly, it gives me that super smooth and even surface to work with. So yeah, I really enjoy doing that. And now I'm just doing the second finger. As you can see, I'm using like circular motions, or pushing, like I'm just pushing it up basically. And as you can tell, I'm not breaking the contact between the gel and the brush. My brush is constantly touching the gel, and the reason why I'm doing this is because I'm going to be avoiding air bubbles. If you keep lifting your brush away from the gel, you're going to introduce air pockets in there, and that's going to create air bubbles. So you definitely always want to keep the contact with the brush to the gel, and then float as you go. And you can also use like a square brush for this. This works really well with square brushes, but I don't know, I've just really been loving this round brush, so it works super well with round brushes as well. As you can see, I've grabbed just enough for my whole nail, and if you do apply too much, you can always take some off. And then I like to hold my finger upside down like that, and then I quickly like to put it in the light for 60 seconds. Definitely cure each nail as you go if you would like. I like to do that just in case I mess something up. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So I'm pushing the gel up towards the cuticle, really, really nice and close. You don't want to touch the skin. If anything, even leave a tiny, tiny little gap between the gel and the skin, and then float from sidewall to sidewall as you go down. And the key with this is just basically to pick up the right amount of product and to just be super light-handed, and that's pretty much gonna be how you achieve a nice full covered nail with gel with a smooth surface area. And if you do get some on the side, like on your skin like I did there, just clean off your brush and wipe it, or even better, just use like a dry brush with nothing on it and just clean it. and that will be just fine. Now again, just doing this, I find applying gel very satisfying and relaxing compared to like acrylic or poly gel sometimes, because I don't know, it's just very satisfying to see like the clear gel go over the nail. I just really enjoy it. And I also have used the Vrenmo gel, in case you're wondering. It is available on Amazon and it's super cheap and really affordable and a great gel. I would say the only thing about it is that sometimes I can find that it's not as thick, and it can sometimes be a little runny, especially when it's a lot warmer. So yeah, just do bear that in mind. But other than that, you could definitely use this with the Vrenmo gel. And if you also find that your surface isn't very even after applying the gel, you could just use the edge of the brush and kind of just create some lines on the surface of the nail, kind of like from cuticle to free edge, just going up and down, and that will kind of even out anything that you may have missed or something like that. So that's really helpful as well. And once I've cured all of those, and I think I did file these, yeah, I just buffed these really quick. I was really happy with how smooth and even they were, so I just like filed them super quick. And now I'm applying this super pretty nude gel polish. It's from Glitterbels and it's in the shade Mantrap. And I did do two coats of this because I find that one coat is super sheer and it's very beautiful, but I was going for a very like kind of nudish, opaque-ish kind of look. And yeah, sorry about the focus on this part of the video. I'm not sure what happened, but yeah, as you can see, I'm just applying the color. I like to kind of push my gel polish up towards the cuticle a little bit, so I like to place it just under the cuticle and then push it up. That way I get a nice even cuticle without flooding it. And it's definitely helped me improve my gel polish application. If you are interested in Glitterbels products, they are really amazing, and I've bought a couple of their like acrylics and gel polishes. So yeah, and their brushes as well, really good. So I will link the videos and review videos to those down below in the description box. And I cured each layer for 60 seconds as well. So once I'm done with that, I wanted to use the Madame Glam base coat because I wanted to do like some flakes, and I really love flakes. I think they're very pretty and you can use them in so many different ways. So after curing that nudish layer, I'm basically grabbing some flakes and placing them on my nail. That's pretty much what I'm doing for this design. It's basically going to be just flakes. And for the thumb, I wanted to do like an all over flake kind of look. And I'm also applying the base coat to all the nails. You want to leave this base coat layer nice and wet because it will really help the flakes to lay flat and to just stick on much better. So yeah, I kind of just tried to change it up a bit and apply the flakes kind of different on each nail. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Do cure each nail when you're happy with your flake positioning, and we will be encapsulating this afterwards because I do find that some of the flakes were sticking up and some of them were like they were a little thick to just, you know, go over with top coat. Like you could definitely feel their rough surface even after top coat. So I definitely did do like a thin layer of gel encapsulation as well, just to make sure that we have a nice smooth layer. And because I'm planning to keep these nails on for a while, I kind of don't want to deal with them getting stuck in my hair or any of that stuff. So as you can see, I'm doing a super thin layer of encapsulation, and this is pretty much it. So just getting the brush, I'm kind of like brushing this on a little bit, this layer. It's not much, so like gliding, because I don't want these nails to be too thick. But as you can see, I'm just grabbing some gel and just making sure that it's encapsulated, and I'm checking it from like the sides to make sure nothing is sticking up and out as well. And then cure this for 60 seconds, don't forget that. So just quickly showing you, after I'm done with that, I just filed the surface and that's pretty much it. I didn't really do any debulking or anything. I just pretty much went over and filed over to make sure everything was smooth, and I did remove the tacky layer as well. So now onto the designing part of the nail. I went in with the Madame Glam gel paints. It's from their new collection, new June collection, and I have done a review on these gel paints and the brushes, and yes, these are absolutely amazing. I love these so much, and they're now my new favorite gel paints. So what I'm doing is basically creating these random like abstract lines on my nails, and yeah, I wasn't really sure what I was going for. I just kind of went with what I was feeling at the time. So I'm just basically kind of outlining where I've put those flakes. And yeah, I basically wanted to create something that would just really shine in the sun, and the flakes I just thought were perfect, and I thought I'd bring them out a little bit more with some white and gold gel paint. This is again the Madame Glam gold gel paint, and it's extremely pretty. I am so in love with it and I'm really obsessed with it, and it's just amazing. Please do check out that review for that down below. I might even link it on screen, yeah, because it's amazing. And if you do want to save yourself some money from Madame Glam, you can use my discount code Kamin30, and that is for 30% off. And it's not an affiliate link, so it's just purely for you guys to enjoy 30% off. So yeah, do definitely take advantage of that and use that code. And I'm just outlining the white, basically nothing too fancy, but I just thought this like really just pulled the look together. I was really happy I went for this gold. I was kind of planning on the silver one, but yeah, no, I'm just too obsessed with the gold right now. And I'm just adding a bit of that gold as well on the last two fingers, just to kind of, I don't know, like pull the look together a little bit, make everything match. I thought that was kind of cute. And then once I'm done with that, I cured that for 60 seconds in my nail light, and then I'm applying my Glitterbels top coat. I swear by this top coat, it's amazing. It's really good. And yeah, this is just always the top coat I use when I plan to keep a set on for a long time, because I know this top coat is not going to fail me, and it is from Glitterbels and it's just amazing. So do check them out. And then do cure this for 60 seconds as well. And then I will be doing the other hand off camera, so I guess I will do that and then I will be right back. Okay, so now that I've done the other nail, as you can see, I stuck on some really cute nail crystals, some heart ones. I just thought those were super adorable. And yeah, applying my cuticle oil as always, and don't forget that, it's super important. Rub that in really well. And yeah, this is basically it for the final look. I really enjoyed these. They were really cute, summery, giving me kind of like an opal stone kind of vibe. I really enjoyed these nails. Let me know what you think down below. Yeah, I would be really happy for you guys to let me know what you think, which one was your favorite, and don't forget to use my discount codes too if you want to save some money off. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.